Welcome to our video discussing the situation of ivy versus hedgerow. In this video we learn more about English ivy, and whether it is worth removing it from hedgerows in order to achieve the carbon sequestration and environmental benefits of better hedgerow growth. Across the countryside, English ivy weaves through hedgerows. The dark green is attractive and paints scenes of serene beauty. Yet, this green veil holds a story of complexity and ecological significance. Ivy, celebrated for sheltering wildlife and combating weed growth, also possesses medicinal virtues. Its leaves contain saponins, known for their antitussive properties, offering relief in respiratory conditions. This ancient plant, while not edible for humans, supports ecosystems and human health in unique ways. But ivy's vigorous growth prompts concerns. Its impact on the ecosystem, especially on carbon sequestration, beckons a deeper examination. Research underscores the value of diverse hedgerows, with soil beneath them storing 31% more carbon than adjacent fields. Enhancing hedgerow length by 40% could sequester up to 6.4% of agricultural CO2 emissions annually for 4 decades. Tending to hedgerows not only benefits the ecosystem, but also our health, burning 300 to 600 calories per hour, akin to a moderate workout. A hedgerow of trees should be considered preferred than to a hedgerow covered in ivy. The overall biomass of tree-based hedgerows will be greater. Tree-based hedgerows will produce more oxygen and sequester more carbon. We used a known calculator available from 8 billion trees and made conservative assumptions of trees about 1/10 the size of a mature tree and about 400 trees per quarter mile of hedgerow. The resulting estimate is a quarter-mile hedgerow that generates enough oxygen for 100 people to breathe for an entire day and stores over 100 pounds of carbon. The interplay between ivy and hedgerows is a delicate balance of aesthetics, biodiversity, and environmental stewardship. We have enjoyed learning more about the interplay with the benefits of ivy and benefits of preserving and growing the hedgerows. Please share any learnings and insights you have. Together we can fuel our curiosity. Thanks for watching.